In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a discount code on Etsy. First, open the Etsy app or website and navigate to the item you want to buy. You will see a wide range of unique products from various sellers. Once you find the item you love, click on it to see the product details. Make sure to check the description and the seller's ratings to ensure you are making a good choice. After you've decided, add the item to your cart. This action is crucial as it sets up your purchase for the next steps. You will notice a small confirmation message indicating that the item has been successfully added. Next, go to your cart. You can usually find the cart icon at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will take you to a page showing all the items you've added. This is your opportunity to review your selections before proceeding. Make sure everything looks correct, as this ensures that you are ready to move forward. Once you are satisfied with your items, you can continue with the checkout process. Now scroll down your cart page until you see the option to select Apply Coupon Code. This is an important step as it allows you to enter your discount code. Finding the right spot can be a bit tricky, but it's usually near the total amount of your order. This helps you visibly track how much you are saving with your discount. Pay attention here, as this is where you will make your purchase more economical. After that, type or paste your discount code into the designated field. Be careful to enter it exactly as it appears, as even a small typo can cause the code to fail. This is a straightforward process, but it is essential to double-check your entry. You will see a field for the code that provides a clear space for you to input. Once you have entered the code correctly, it will help you save money on your final purchase. Next up, tap Apply before completing your purchase. This action is very important as it finalizes the application of your discount code. After tapping, the system will process your code and confirm if it is valid. If successful, you will see the updated total reflecting the discount. This is a reassuring moment as it confirms your savings. A few things to keep in mind. Shop coupons only work for the specific shop that issued them. This is vital because it means you cannot use these codes across different shops. Each seller has their own promotions and offers. Additionally, Etsy coupons may work across multiple shops depending on the promotion. This flexibility can help you save more if you shop around. Furthermore, some coupons require a minimum purchase amount or have an expiration date. It is crucial to be aware of these conditions as they can affect whether your discount code is valid. Checking these details ahead of time can save you frustration during the checkout process. With all these steps completed, you should be able to enjoy your shopping experience on Etsy with your discount applied. You are now well equipped to enter discount codes, maximizing your savings while indulging in beautiful handmade and vintage items. Happy shopping, and thank you for watching.